Hello guys, today I got sent this military dog shock collar. Let's unbox it and let me show you what comes included. Alright guys, so inside the box we're going to get this remote transmitter. We're going to get this receiver. This receiver also has the shock points right here, so that way they're going to go against the dog's neck, okay? We're also going to receive this cable, which is a USB-A to this dual Type-C cord, okay? This is going to help us charge both of our transmitter and the receiver at the same time. We're also getting this wrist strap, and it's very simple to get it installed. There we go. And, we can just grab it with our hand right here, and we can put it on our wrist, so that way we always have it close to us, okay? Also, we're going to be getting this tester so that we can test the transmitter, and we're also going to get larger tips and also plastic covers just in case we just want to train our dog with vibrations, no shocks. You can also do that. You will cover these 2 points with the plastic covers, and this will diminish the actual shock, okay? It will just vibrate for them. Now look how big this is. This will actually fit any larger dog and also a smaller dog. The operation of this shock training collar is very simple. First, we're going to be turning it on, okay, by just switching it right here on the controller, and we will turn on the transmitter. Okay, this will also make a vibration sound, and the front lights will actually come on. Now, it will also have a battery indicator on the collar so that way you know how much battery it has left. And the transmitter will also have a screen right here, okay, which is going to also tell you the battery. It's also going to tell you the intensity for the vibration, and it has several buttons around the transmitter. On the side, we do have this flashlight, which you can actually use it at night. You have the shock function. You have the light function right there. So in case you want to actually, find your dog, this will actually flash and you can actually find it easier. And you have this channel switch button, okay? It can go from channel 1 to channel 2. On the front, you're gonna have the beep function. So you can actually make beeps to the dog. This can also help with commands. You will also have the vibration button, and you will have the shock button, okay? This dog shock training collar does also include a manual. Please refer to the manual for further instructions. Look at this function right here, okay? If I actually press the vibration button, the dog will be alert to the vibration. If I do the beeping function, he will also be alert to the vibration. And if I do the shock button, then it will also react to that function. This military dog shock collar is waterproof and also impact proof. I hope that the information about the shock training collar was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.